Hi guys, Danielle here from the Mostly Clean Eats blog. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have a paleo-friendly enchilada recipe. Super exciting. I know what you're thinking, how do you get a grain-free, gluten-free, dairy-free enchilada that doesn't taste like crap? But we did it. It's really, really good. It also is Whole30 friendly. No gluten, no grain, no dairy, tons of flavor. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please subscribe below. I have new recipes every Monday and Friday, and Wednesday I have cooking hack and meal prep videos. Thanks again for stopping by. Enjoy.
We're going to start by prepping our chicken for shredded chicken. This is the easiest way to do it. This is how I like to do it, tender, juicy chicken. So we just add some olive oil to a pan, heat it up. We allow the chicken to cook about 3 minutes on the first side, and then we're going to flip over to the other side. So now the chicken is cooked about 3 minutes on the second side. We're going to add a cup of bone broth. Sorry about the steam, you guys. Then we're going to lower the heat, and we're just going to let this chicken simmer covered in that bone broth. So while the chicken cooks, we're going to get ready on our sauce. So that's onion, garlic, olive oil. Let that cook. We're going to add our spice blend, which is going to be cumin, chili pepper, paprika, dried oregano, and just a dash of cinnamon. It sounds weird, but I promise it works, you guys. So once those onions have become nice and translucent with that spice blend, we're going to add a cup of bone broth. Again, I'm sorry about the steam on this video. Then we're going to add a cup of tomato sauce. You want to make sure it's not salted, nothing else in it. And you're going to add some salt and pepper with this and give it a good stir. So once those onions, we're going to bring this sauce to a boil and then reduce to a simmer and cook it. Now we're going to blend together. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can add this to a regular blender. Just be careful because it's hot. This is a hack that I picked up from Downshiftology. Once the chicken is done cooking, you're going to transfer it to the KitchenAid mixer. You're going to add your paddle attachment. And you're going to put it on low speed for a minute or two. And you're going to get tender, juicy, pull-apart, shredded chicken. So now we're going to add the enchilada sauce to the bottom of the pan. This is just so that it doesn't burn. You want to make sure that you have some of the sauce left. So now we have our shredded chicken. We're going to add some diced green chilies. And we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of that enchilada sauce. You want to make sure that you have some extra left over to top at the end. So now for the fun part, stuffing the enchiladas. I actually used taco tortillas for these, so they're a little bit smaller, but you can get the burrito-sized one or the larger ones if you want it bigger. I did Siete brand grain-free tortillas, which makes them paleo and Whole30 friendly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your chicken, you're going to put it inside the taco in the middle, fold over the sides, fold the front, fold the back, flip it over, and then we're going to put it into the pan that's lined with the sauce. If you want them more juicy, you can add some sauce in the middle. If you're not paleo or Whole30, you can add cheese in the middle at this point. We're going to get them all. You're going to just repeat this process till they're all lined up nice in the pan. So now all of our enchiladas are nicely lined up in our pan. We're going to take our extra sauce and we're going to put that on top. You want to smother these enchiladas in the sauce. We can add extra green chilies if you want. You can even add olives. And then if you're paleo, you can add this vegan cashew queso from Siete brand. They have a mild nacho flavor and a queso blanco flavor that's really good. But unfortunately, you would need to omit this for Whole30. While all the ingredients are Whole30 friendly, you're not supposed to have foods that replicate foods that would trigger you, and queso is one of those foods. So once this is done, then we are going to transfer. We're going to bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Well, these are definitely not the prettiest things that I've baked. Some foods don't look as appetizing as others. These are absolutely delicious. They're so good. You can add extra sauce on top. You can add extra of that paleo queso on there. You're going to want to eat these hot and enjoy, you guys.
That is my video for paleo enchiladas. Let me tell you, they are really very good. I really like them. thank you for stopping by. Mondays and Fridays, new recipes drop, so make sure you subscribe. Give me a like below, throw me a comment. And on Wednesdays, cooking hacks and meal prep videos will be added, so stay tuned.